Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week's project is we're gonna be making homemade mustard and preserving it. I know that's kind of random, but one of the things that I'm trying to learn how to do is like canning and preserving and stuff like that. So this isn't gonna be water bath canning, but it's just like making mustard by hand and then you just preserve it in little mason jars. It's supposed to last for 6 months in the refrigerator. I've never made this before. This is out of a book that I have called The Hands-On Home. I'll link to it in the description box. I'm just gonna follow her recipes. I'm wearing this hat because it's snowing outside and also because I haven't washed my hair. If you're new to my channel, I am a stay-at-home mom and 2019 for me is the year of homemaking where I'm challenging myself to get better at making things by hand and cooking and cleaning, things like that. So if you're interested in coming along with me on that journey, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. So let's get right into making some mustard. Okay, it's been 2 days, and this is what these mustard mixtures are looking like now. It looks like there's a lot less liquid than before, if you remember, because the mustard seeds soaked all the liquid up. Isn't that cool? So now what we're gonna do, blend these up. So this one is more like a whole grain mustard, so she said you can kind of just leave it the way it is. Then these ones you kind of blend up until they're the texture that you want. So I'm gonna get the food processor out and blend them. Okay, this whole grain porter mustard, you're just supposed to leave it like it is, but I feel like it's got too much liquid, so I'm just using this thing, this strainer, to drain the liquid out before I put it in the jars. You can see I've already put the other two in the jars right here. This is what they look like after they're blended up. They're still like chunky. Charlie, I can see you. What'd she do it? I was. Okay, so we're about to taste test the 3 different types of mustard that I made. And we wanted to really like do them justice, you know, so Wes made brats. See? Look at this. Husband of the year. Now she says in the book that it's better after like 2 or 3 weeks because the flavor mellows a little bit. It's gonna be a little strong tonight probably. All right, so first up we're trying
Dijon.
The Dijon mustard.
Here we go. I like it. It is weird, the seeds and stuff, but it's not that weird. The flavor is like really.
It's good. It's really not even as strong as I was like expecting.
Okay, apple maple.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I like that one better.
Very good. I'm not like a mustard freak, so this is really good. This is more like the hipster mustard. Whole grain porter.
This is the one that has the Guinness in it.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Mmm.
The porter one is very different, but I like it.
it. It's kind of sweeter than I thought. It's like interesting. You're like a mustard queen. Let's rank them.
Okay.
I'm gonna go for my gut. I'm going for my gut. Whole grain porter, apple mustard, Dijon.
Dijon is the least favorite.
I mean, it's good, but these two kind of, they rung my bell.
I think the apple maple is my favorite. A couple of things to note. If you look at the texture of mine, I ran them through the food processor and it didn't do much. Like it really didn't blend up the seeds very much. I don't know, like it blended it up a little bit because the Dijon mustard had like pieces of onion in it. It blended those up. I'm sure there's a way to blend them up more if you want it to be more like traditional style. And also you can make like, we didn't make like a traditional mustard recipe, but you can do that by adding like turmeric and things like that. But these are kind of more like specialty mustards. Like I feel like you could give these as like a gift, like with some crackers and cheese and sausage. If you guys try this, let me know by over on Facebook or on Instagram, and I'll have the links to both of those in the description box. And also on Instagram, I'll have the recipe that you can screenshot. So if you want to like save it on your phone and try making this yourself. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's tutorial. And I'll be back. I'll have a bonus video this week. So there'll be a bonus video on Saturday and then a new tutorial next week. So be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any new videos. Am I forgetting anything?
Bone apple tea.
Bone apple tea. Bye guys.